Hi everyone and welcome to Tips and Tricks series from Germany for Student channel. In the Tips and Tricks series, I am sharing a lot of tips and tricks with you so that the journey of learning German language becomes easier. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do it now so that you get a lot of tips and tricks that will really help you in learning German language in a quicker and faster way. The tip I am going to share with you today is about how to make nouns from adjectives. So I will share with you a tip that how you can make noun from adjectives. So I have listed some adjectives on this side and then the nouns from these adjectives, and for each adjective I have listed also one example. And your homework for today's lesson is to make a sentence from the nouns. So let's start with first the adjectives. Adjective is fähig. Fähig means able or capable, and you will see that all the adjectives I have listed are ending with ig or eg in German language. So I have selected all those adjectives which have the ending eg, and fähig, which means able or capable. Now, if we want to make a noun out of this adjective, what we have to do is we have to simply add keit, K-A-E-T in German language, K-A-E-T, kite. And here you also see that all the nouns that I have listed here have the article D. So all these nouns which have the ending kite, they are feminine and they have the article D. So fähig means able or capable, and Fähigkeit means capability or ability. And now we make one sentence with the adjective fähig. Ist fähig, diese Aufgabe zu erledigen. He is capable of completing this task. Aufgabe means task, assignment, and erledigen means to do or to complete. So he is capable to complete this task. Next adjective is tätig. Tätig means active or employed. Tätigkeit means the activity. And you see again that we have just added one kite at the end of the adjective and it becomes noun. Tätigkeit. And we also know that we have to write the noun in German language with a capital letter. So you see that all the adjectives are starting with the small letters and all the nouns are starting with the capital letters, because noun in German language is always written with a capital letter. So die Tätigkeit, the activity. Sie ist in einer internationalen Firma tätig. Sie ist in einer internationalen Firma tätig. She is employed or active in an international company. Firma is a feminine noun, and because in here is acting in dative case, therefore for a feminine noun in dative case we have to add an al at the end of indefinite article, and we have to add an an at the end of adjective. Adjective here is international, but since firma is a feminine noun and we are using a dative preposition here, therefore we have to add this ending. Next adjective is gültig, which means valid. And what we have to do in order to make a noun from this adjective is that we have to add a kite at the end of the adjective. And because it is a noun, it has to start with the capital letter. So the Gültigkeit, the validity. So let's make a sentence with this adjective. Mein Pass ist noch gültig. Mein Pass ist noch gültig. My passport is still valid. Noch means still and gültig means valid. Now you have to make one sentence with Gültigkeit, one sentence with Tätigkeit, one sentence with Fähigkeit and with all other nouns, and put it in the comment section so that we increase our vocabulary. And we know that how to use the nouns in the sentences. Next is zuständig. Zuständig means responsible. If we want to make a noun out of this adjective, what we have to do is we have to add a keit at the end of the adjective, and we have to write zuständig with a capital Z. And since all the nouns which are ending with keit have the article D, so we have added die Zuständigkeit, which means the responsibility. Now let's make a sentence with this adjective. Wir sind dafür zuständig. We are responsible for that. For that, dafür. Next example is notwendig. Notwendig means necessary. Die Notwendigkeit. How you have made this noun? You have simply added keit at the end of the adjective. You have started the noun with a capital N, and because all nouns ending with keit are feminine and they have the article D, so you have added die Notwendigkeit. Notwendigkeit, necessity. Now let's make a sentence with the adjective notwendig. Deine Anwesenheit ist nicht notwendig. Your presence is not necessary. Anwesenheit is again a German noun which means presence, and this is a feminine noun, therefore we have added a at the end of the possessive pronoun which is dein. So deine Anwesenheit ist nicht notwendig. Your presence is not required. Now you have to make one sentence with die Notwendigkeit. Next we have häufig. Häufig means frequently. And how to make the noun out of this is that you have to add keit at the end of the adjective häufig and it becomes Häufigkeit, plus you have to start the noun with a capital H, so that it's, because we always write noun with the capital letter, since all the nouns ending with keit are feminine, therefore they have the article D. Die Häufigkeit, the frequency. Wir besuchen häufig unsere Großeltern. We frequently visit our grandparents. Now you have to make one sentence with the Häufigkeit and put it in the comment section. I hope it was helpful for you. I simply repeat some of the adjectives which have the suffix ig in German language. If we want to make noun out of these adjectives, we have to simply add keit, K-A-E-T, kite, and we have to start definitely the noun with the capital letter, and all the nouns which are ending with keit or have suffix keit, they all are feminine noun and they have the article D. So fähig, capable, Fähigkeit, capability, tätig, active or employed, die Tätigkeit, activity, gültig, valid, die Gültigkeit, validity, richtig, right or correct, die Richtigkeit, correctness, zuständig, responsible, die Zuständigkeit, the responsibility, notwendig, necessary, die Notwendigkeit, the necessity, häufig, frequent, die Häufigkeit, frequently. I hope you liked the video and it was helpful for you. You have learned through this video. If you have learned anything new in this video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe my channel so that you get more updates on such tips and tricks. And see you in the next video. Thank you.